This issue we will show you how to connect RTK base station with external radio. Take Geodex G60 Pro GNSS as an example. First, complete the base station installation. This is the external radio installed on the base station and connect the big antenna. Next, we open the RTK software Certix 6.0 on the data controller. After connecting the G60 PEO receiver, click the base icon on the device interface. Enter the base mode settings interface. We can see the following settings. Click here to check the general parameters: base ID, diff format, cutoff angle, and PDOP. After selecting the required parameters, click OK. Next, to select the base startup mode, click here. There are 3 modes to choose from. Different modes have different displays. Here we select the assigned base coordinates mode. Click here to check the coordinate information. If needed, you can click here to select other point coordinates or click Add to add a new one. Then input the antenna measuring height here and select the measuring type. Click OK to save. Here the PPK is in disable. If needed, click here to enter the PPK settings interface. Turn on the record, raw data, set point name and interval. Click OK to save. Next, to set the data link, click here to select the external radio. The baud rate is displayed here. Click it to set the parameter. Then click here to select the parameter you need. Click OK to save. Then you can click here to turn on the tripcaster settings. Input the port and base access point information. After completing these parameter settings, click Start Base to start the connection. The radio icon is displayed here, indicating that the base station is successfully connected to the external radio. The base station settings are completed. If you want to disconnect, click the base icon to return to this interface. Then click Stop Base is OK. For more exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at Geodex Surveying Technology.